In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to 1v1 in Dead by Daylight. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 1v1 match in Dead by Daylight. You will be able to play with your friend and you will not have any random people join you. So to set up a 1v1, go over to play, and when you see all of the modes, you have to choose custom game. So essentially to do a 1v1 server, you have to go into custom game. Now you will see the 4 slots where you can invite friends or you can add bots. Now go over to the friends tab or click one of the plus signs that you see here and then invite someone. Just send them an invite and they will get a notification if they are inside of Dead by Daylight. Once they accept this notification, they will load in instantly. Now for this video, I don't have anyone to help me record this, so I'm just going to add a bot to demonstrate. So pretend this was your friend, they accept it, and they will load in immediately. Once you see them at the side, you can go ahead and choose play. Of course, you can change a lot of things, but I'm not going to go into too much detail. Make sure that you customize your character, your loadout, and you customize everything about the match. Once everything is set up according to the parameters that you and your friends want to play, go ahead and choose play. You will see this message finding server, and of course whenever the server is found, the matchmaking process will be done automatically. So you will load it into a server with only you and your friend. Once both of you load in, you will be able to do a 1v1 in Dead by Daylight. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm not going to give you instructions and the rules that are generally used in a 1v1 match. This is going to be up to you to determine. See who can survive the longest, set up the rules, what is allowed, what isn't allowed, but I just wanted to showcase how you can create the 1v1 lobby. There are various rule sets that you can use to determine who wins a 1v1, and that is going to be up to you. But to set up a 1v1 lobby, that is all you have to do. Just go into custom game. I hope I was able to help you on how to 1v1 in Dead by Daylight. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.